creature. It's amazing, right? Let's start her up. Go on, my babies. So it has a whole 1 horsepower. In today's Motovlog, we'll be taking this bad boy for a spin. It's got a bit of juice in it. Apologies for the shaky camera. I haven't sorted out my helmet yet. For this, they're getting used to it. They're getting used to it. Right. Take into the vehicle very well. That physique, gorgeous pizzazz. It's beautiful, isn't it? Bloody beautiful. Look at that majestic creature. Oh look, there's Susan. So that concludes today's Motovlog. If you liked the video, please click like. If you want to comment on the video, comment on below, obviously, duh. And subscribe for more beautiful content like this. Well, maybe not like this. You know what I mean. Peace.